Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Pabbly subscription billing. So Pabbly subscription billing is a comprehensive subscription management and recurring billing software designed to simplify the process of managing subscriptions and automating billings for businesses. Here you can create customized plans for your products, you can select payment for each of the plan, and you can even integrate multiple payment gateways over here to manage your transactions easily. And it also provides a very easy and effective customer management through which you can manage your sales as well as your customers. Okay, now here I'm going to show you step by step that how you can set up a connection between Pabbly subscription billing and Pabbly Connect so that you can transfer the data from Pabbly subscription billing to any other application automatically. And that we are going to do with the help of Webhook. So Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications, and it also allows to transfer the data from one application towards another automatically whenever a specific event happens. Okay, so before moving forward, here on my screen you can see that there are two windows, trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now, here because we are setting up a connection between Pabbly subscription billing and Pabbly Connect as trigger, so let's suppose I want to add the details of Pabbly subscription billing payments when I'm going to receive them in my Google Sheets. So I'm going to take Google Sheets in my action step. So here we can clearly see that action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when a payment will be received in Pabbly subscription billing, then only the details will be added in Google Sheets, otherwise no. So this is clear that we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Further, after adding the details in Google Sheets, if you want to send a WhatsApp notification to the customer that their order is placed and their payment is received, then you can also further add WhatsApp over here in the second action step. And if you want to send an email to that person, then you can also add Gmail. So you can add as many steps as you want according to your requirements, but the trigger is going to be one because it is going to command. After understanding the whole concept, let's start setting up the connection between Pabbly Connect and Pabbly subscription billing. So for that, we have to move towards our trigger step. So here we have to select our trigger application, and that will be Pabbly subscription billing. So let's select that. Now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So here we have multiple options: invoice created, new customer, new subscription, payment failure, payment refund, and etc. So on the happening of whichever specific event you want to receive the response, you can select that event over here. I want that whenever the payment will be received for a particular product in Pabbly subscription billing, then the response should be captured and the workflow should get triggered with that. So here I'm going to select successful payment as my trigger event. As we have selected, we can see that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So here we have to follow the instructions given over here step by step to set up this connection, and for that the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge because it is going to send the data from Pabbly subscription billing towards Pabbly Connect whenever the payment will be received. Okay, now we will move forward. First of all, we have to copy this webhook URL, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So you have to log into your Pabbly subscription billing account. First of all, I have already done that, so I'm going to take you towards my account. So this is my account of Pabbly subscription billing. I am currently on the customer section. These are the customer details I have. Now we have to go towards the settings section from the left side to set up this connection. Now after coming on settings, here we'll see the option of webhook. So let's select that. So this is an existing active webhook. Now to create a new webhook, we have to click on this add webhook button, and first of all we have to provide a name to our webhook. So for whichever reason you're creating the webhook and you're creating this connection, you can give that name over here. I'm going to give, let's say, as payments. Okay, after giving this name, here we have to select the product that on the purchase of which product you want to receive the response. We can have multiple products and multiple plans in our account, so we can either select a specific product that on the purchase of that specific product we want to receive the response, and we can also go for selecting all products. Okay, so I'm going to select a specific product, JavaScript mastery course. I want that whenever this course will be purchased, then only I want to receive the response. Now we have to select the plan. For each of the product we have created different plans, so we can select a specific plan also. Over here I'm going to select a basic plan which is created for this particular course. Now in the webhook URL field we have to paste the URL which we have copied. Okay, now after this we have to select the specific event. So this is the customer section, this is the subscription section. According to your requirement you can select the event over here. Now I have selected payment successful, so I will move towards the payment section, and this is the successful payment option. So I have selected that. Now we will simply click on save. So here, as we have done that, our webhook is added successfully. This means that our connection is successful. You can see that this is the name of my webhook, payments, and it is in active status. We'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. Here we have also received a test response. This means that our connection is successful. So we are going to click on recapture webhook response button to capture a new response now. And how we are going to get that? By making a test payment in Pabbly subscription billing. So I'm going to go back towards my Pabbly subscription billing account. We'll go towards the product section because I'm going to purchase a product over here. This is the basic plan which I have selected. Now I'm going to go towards the checkout page of this product. And I will do a test submission by making a test payment with the dummy details so that we can receive the response over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here the customer will have to enter the information such as first name, last name, email address and other details. So let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the customer who is purchasing this product is test customer. Okay. And the email address is, let's say, test789@pabblitudes.com. Now here we have to select the billing address. So the country is selected as India. It is correct. Now I'm going to select the state. Let's say Madhya Pradesh. And because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I have dummy card by using which I'm going to make this dummy purchase. So I'm going to go with success because I want to make this payment successful. So the dummy card details are automatically added. Now I'm going to click on complete order and the payment is successful. So after making the transaction, we will go back towards Pabbly Connect to check whether we have received the response or not. And yes, here we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details. This is the event type that we have selected as payment successful. Here we have received the event source that from the checkout page, the payment is received. This is the data user ID. Okay, here's the date and the time at which the payment is received, the time zone, the status that is active. And when we will scroll down, here are some other details as well. That means the details of the customer. This is the name of the customer. Here are the billing details. Here are the card details through which we have received the payment and the amount for which the payment is received along with the gateway from which we have received this payment. So because we have received this response, this means that our connection is absolutely successful. So now whenever a new payment will be received in Pabbly subscription billing, automatically the response of that payment will be captured in Pabbly Connect. In this way, we can set up webhook inside Pabbly subscription billing by following the same steps as I have told you in this video. And you can select any event according to your requirements. Then whenever that specific event will be happen, you will receive the response automatically and you can transfer that response automatically to any other application according to your requirements to create this automation. Okay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.